possible if we don't believe in ourselves first.
Self-belief gives us the courage to learn, to innovate and to dream big.
Believe you can and you're already halfway there. That's the power of self-belief.
Courage, it helps you face challenges without fear.
It allows you to see through your obstacles. Resilience, it keeps you going even after failure.